Hi guys, so behind me today is the Hyundai Palisade that we worked on about a week ago. So with all our normal coating packages, we request that the car should not be washed after a week so that this can allow the coating to fully cure. Normally, here we have a demonstration of how a fully cured coating with its hydrophobic qualities, all the way from its high temp wheel coating all the way to our flagship Modesta BC-05. You can see that there's an excellent water beading quality. So if you can see, water just flows down like spaghetti, and normally for a white car which tends to yellow in time due to oxidation, you can prevent this by having or putting our flagship coating, which is the Modesta BC-05. You can also see the hydrophobic qualities of our BC-06 high temp wheel coating. So aside from less adhesion to brake dust, you can see that it's easy to clean. And for those of you who don't have time to wash your cars, or for those of you who don't have time to go to the car wash, and for those of you who are paranoid to go to the car wash because it's COVID, this is an easy solution of what you can do